If you need to find book reviews, they exist in many of our different databases. To find them, you will need to make sure to choose either the document type as book review or item type as review. I'm going to show you how to search for them in two different databases so that you can see what it looks like from multiple perspectives. If you have been given the guidelines of using a specific journal for your reviews, then you would want to see what database has that journal. For today, I'm going to use Art Bulletin, but if you didn't have that limitation, you could go directly to the database of choice. To find the specific journal, you will want to use our journal finder on the library's homepage. Then search for Art Bulletin. It shows up that we have this journal in multiple databases. I'm going to select Academic Search Ultimate since it has the longest coverage to present. If you haven't logged into Canvas or your email, you will be asked at this time to log in with your university credentials. Then it will pull up a page about Art Bulletin. Since you want to search for book reviews, you will want to select the Search Within This Publication link. You will notice that the search box automatically populates with JN Art Bulletin. Then you will want to add in other keywords about the type of review you're wanting. I am interested in books about contemporary or modern architecture. Before I hit search, I'll want to add some additional limits. The first one I want is to make sure that I'm only going to be seeing book reviews. So I select the document type, book review. I can also limit my search by publication date, so I'm going to put in 1990 for the oldest the reviews can be. Now I'm ready to search and see what comes up. I have 8 results to choose from. Now keep in mind that keywords don't always mean what you think, so you might have to adjust your search if you don't find what you are hoping. Now I'm going to do a similar search in JSTOR, just to show you how the two databases compare. I'm going to go back to my journal results page and select JSTOR. Once again, it brings me to the journal homepage in the database, but this one doesn't have a quick search within the publication option, so we will need to do an advanced search. I'm going to put my keywords into the first and second boxes. Then I'm going to narrow my results by item type, reviews. Then, once again, add in my date limit of 1990. Finally, beneath these limits is where I would put in Art Bulletin so that it only searches within that journal. Then I do my search and I have 131 results. Note, this is pulling from the full text of the reviews, so you may find that the reviews have the words, but they aren't the focus. This concludes the How to Find Book Reviews tutorial. If you need assistance finding book reviews or have any questions, please contact the library.